We are loving the new shape Land Cruisers. We are selling so many. Now this particular one is in a fantastic colour called the Decuma Grey. It's a 2024 74 registration with a 2.8 D4D engine, and it's the Invincible specification. Now if you don't know, and if it's the first time you're watching a video presentation on the new model Land Cruiser, I can tell you that they come fully equipped with pretty much everything, and I will go through and show you as much as possible. What I do like about the car, and I think everybody else that understands a Toyota, is the reliability side of stuff. They are such a reliable car. You just know for a fact you can start this thing every morning and it'll go no problem. But then they've changed a few things. So this is a complete new shape. And you can see that instantly with the rectangular headlights, the grille, lots of ground clearance, LED spotlights, front rear parking sensors, 360 camera system. It just keeps going. You've got adaptive cruise, heads-up display, sunroof, heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Think of all the things that you need. It's got it, including a cool box. But then the car has to look good, because so many times a car will have all the extras, but it's just boring. That there is nothing boring. It looks fantastic, and it's got 7 seats. Let's talk about the wheels first of all. I like the design of this wheel. I think it works really well. They're a good size, and they're finished in that lovely satin grey. You've then got this off-road look, and that means a lot, because this car is very, very capable of going off-road, and I'm sure it very much will. So this is a good finish. Mud flaps, heavy-duty side steps. You can just tell by looking at them, they just look nice and big and bulky, ready to be used, jumping on to get into the car. Sun protection glass. You've then got the black door handles, a nice sporty factor to this very rugged, usable SUV. Roof rails, and then as I open the door, bang. Straight away you think, well, this has changed a lot. Toyota don't really make much changes on the interior. Everything's very easy to use, but you've got electric seats, nice premium soft leather. The different locking mechanisms down below just here for the 4x4 settings, a touchscreen media system, heated, ventilated, heated steering wheel, dual zone climate control, automatic gearbox, twin cup holders with 2 keys. Like I mentioned, you have got the sunroof section just there that slides up and all the way back. And then you've got the full digital driver zone. Now you might think that's all just a given, but it's not. This car then has the JBL upgraded sound system, the drive record system on here, what you call Dashcam for better or worse, and there's also one on the back. They cost money, but this car's got it. And then the rear passengers, Toyota have thought about them very much so, because they get heated and ventilated seats. They get third zone climate control, but most of all, they get lots of space. It's comfortable. It's got ISOFIX attachments. And that seat goes down completely, so you can have lots of space. As you get to the back of the car, you see the tinted rear lighting system, the black badging, and you think, you know what? Toyota don't normally do that unless you're buying a GR86 or something, but they've done it here. It's got a sporty factor to it. Press this small little button, and you have window access, nice and easy to drop a bag in. Or you press this handle here, automatic tailgate release. That happens, and then you've got all that load space. Now this car does have a detachable tow bar in the bag, never been used. And that's a good feature, because a lot of them don't come with tow bars. It's covered, so it's out of sight, out of mind. When you're ready, you click it in. It is a 7-seater. The 2 seats have been folded flat, so you can see how much boot space you actually do have. What I can tell you is in the 3rd row seats, you also get the cup holders and different storage compartments as well. Extra speakers in the back there, just like the rear event suite, which is a nice little touch. It is a good colour. Not quite as light as a Nardo grey, and not quite dark as a graphite grey, but this Decuma Grey is a good colour. You've then got the hazard warning indicators just there, so when you're switching lanes. But like I say, it's not all about the gadget and gizmos, even though you've got them all. Push button start, fires up straight away. I've mentioned the heads-up display, all the switches are down there. And then you've got your different drive mode select button. There's the 360 camera, MTS, DAC, crawl, and then the rest of it. You can literally pick and choose what driving mode you want. If you want to keep your cans cool, you've got the cool box underneath your armrest just there. It's nice and high up, it's comfortable, it's great. ClearSight rear view mirror, nice finish to the roof lining. This is a great car. Double thumbs up from me. This is going live now. Once again, my name and number's on the screen. We are extremely busy here, and our stock's changing literally 15 times a day. So if you like any of the cars, including this one, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Be happy to take a part exchange. Finance is readily available. We'll do our level best to get you sorted. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.